Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a pipe in TinkerCAD. First, we're going to start out by taking out a ruler and placing it in this corner. Next, we're going to take a cylinder and place it right here. And we're going to move it so that it's 20 millimeters away from the edges. Next, we're going to take another cylinder and scale it down to 15 by 15. Make it taller and sink it into the ground a bit. Next, we're going to make its position so that it's directly in the middle of the bigger pipe. Next, we're going to take this hole, shift-click the larger cylinder, and we're going to click this group icon. And that is how you make a basic pipe in TinkerCAD.